Hi guys, welcome to my video. Today I want to show you how to remove FRP or factory reset protection on Tecno Spark 8C KG5J. And there are two things you need to have before you proceed with this procedure. And the first thing you need is a SIM card which is activated and which has been enabled, which has SIM pin enabled and Wi-Fi connection. So without wasting your time, let's go into it. So let's insert the SIM card into the phone. We insert the SIM card into the phone. After inserting the SIM card onto the phone, the enter SIM pin will pop up. So you just go to emergency. Yeah, you go to emergency, then emergency information, you tap twice, then you go to this uh, button here, you place it, in here you enter your SIM pin, then you go to add contacts. When you go to add contacts, obviously you've gone into the SIM card contacts and it doesn't seem to populate here, so you have to go back maybe 3 to 4 times. That's when it will show. So we are waiting. We are waiting. Let's wait. We go back. Again, we come back. It's not coming. We tap there again. Okay, now it has come. So from here, you have to choose any customer care number. And in my case, it's 100 or voicemail. I tap on it, comes there. Go back, then it's there. I will just tap on the call icon. Now then I'll wait for this to be activated. This button here. There it is. Agree. Then here, I'll add any number. And I'll go to the message icon here. Okay. And on the text, I'll just type www.youtube.com and then press send. After I press send, I'll go back to go and connect my system to Wi-Fi, the phone to Wi-Fi. Let's go back, start, next, Wi-Fi. I tap on my Wi-Fi, then they connect to Wi-Fi, connect, it's obtaining and it's connected. Okay, now I come back here to where I started, remove the SIM card and push it back again. Same procedure. Here, 2 times. Here, enter the SIM card pin. Yeah, add contact. We've been here already, so we don't expect problems. But if we do, we go back to add contacts. We are waiting for the SIM contacts to populate here. Again, let's wait a bit. Add contact. Okay, that's populated. Like I said, you choose any customer care number, and in my case, it's voicemail. Yeah, it's populated. I come back here and I say call. And when this button is activated, I press on it, which is contacts. Then I add any number. And on the number, I come to this message icon. I tap on it, then brings me to messages. Okay, then I just go to www.youtube.com and I press send. Okay, so I tap on YouTube. And I come to this icon here, come to open feedback. Here I have the option that I'm looking for is not here, so I'll just try to write delete, delete. And then I'm looking for this here, which is delete, disable, and manage unused hubs, blah, blah. So I choose this one. Then I tap onto application. After tapping into application here, I am going to search for settings first. Settings. Then I'll go to open. And I'll look for special functions and accessibility. Accessibility menu. And I will enable this. Allow. Got it. After enabling this, you have now to go back to this menu. Yeah. Okay. And this menu for applications, I have to search for three things here, which is Google Play services, post stop, disable, okay. Second, I'll go to Android setup, post stop, okay. And I'll go back, and I'll go to this, and then show system, and here I will look for Android setup. Now this one we've already disabled. Okay. Carrier services. Post stop. Okay. Disable. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. I'm just looking to see which other things are running. I'm looking. Let's look and see what other things are running, other applications that are running. Let's see. Okay, that's all. So now, what we have to do is get back to this menu. Okay. So after getting back to this menu here, startup menu, you have to press on next. Next. Okay, there, next. So the phone will try to, don't copy, will try to go through the process. Then there it will get stuck. Yeah. So what you do now, you do this. Yeah, you press on assistant. Yeah, assistant. Settings. Use without Google account. Settings. Use without Google account. Then you come back. You don't come back, you just press back again. Use settings. Then you remove the SIM card again and push it back. This menu will pop up. So what you do now, you repeat the first process of going to emergency. You tap here twice. Here, you enter the pin. Here, add contacts. Yeah, we wait for it to populate. We go to the same number that we had used. Yeah, then we come back and we call this one. Wait for this to be active. We go there, we choose the same number. We go to the message icon. And then instead of writing www.youtube.com, since we've done this before, we just tap on this. Then it will say enable Google Play services. So I will just say enable. After doing this, we will now go back to the menu, to the main menu, and you'll see the magic will happen. So wait, and wow, it has gone through. Accept Google FRP factory reset protection has been bypassed successfully using that method. It's so simple, it's so nice, and if you like it, you can subscribe or give it a thumb up. We just appreciate to say no, what we are doing, like it. Yeah, so thank you very much. It's always, it feels good to be at your service.